Hello there, Chef Peter here. Today I'm preparing a type of bean called as black-eyed peas. Stay tuned as I walk you through the recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and engage on the comments. Click on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. We are going to kickstart by draining off the water from the black-eyed peas. I need to inform you that these black-eyed peas, I had soaked them overnight, and so now I want to season it and add some fresh water, and using a pressure cooker I'm going to cook this for about 30 minutes. While this is cooking, we're going to prepare some condiments which we're going to use to cook these black-eyed peas. The condiments will include onions, some chopped ginger and garlic, chopped cilantro, some chopped tomatoes as well, and I'm also going to use some assorted spices. Spices really depend on your taste buds, what you prefer in your food. So for me, I use turmeric, I use coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger powder, and some curry powder. And I'm going to also advise you it's important to have some chicken stock on the sidelines, because this chicken stock will come in handy while cooking off these spices. The thing about spices is it's important to cook them off completely, because uncooked spices can bring you a problem. So it's important to, after adding the spices, from the video you can see that I add the chicken stock and let it cook off, even simmer for some time until you get a paste kind of solution from the spices. After which, at this point, I'm going to add the black-eyed peas to the mix and give it a good mix. And at this point, it's advisable to simmer and reduce your heat to the lowest point possible, and then season your food. Sprinkle some cilantro on top that you had chopped earlier, and also plate your food. And in my case, I've cooked this with chapati, and I also had prepared some free-range chicken on the side, which I'm going to eat together. So do enjoy. Try out the menu and also tell me what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos.